You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. This is a surname. It's also the name of a city in South Carolina, United States. So we need to learn the British English pronunciation, which is generally as Greer, Greer, Greer. Now the American English pronunciation, and that's the name of the city in South Carolina, Greer. That's how the Americans say it. Greer, British English pronunciation, or Greer, American English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.